People do begin,
Abantu bayaqala,
they do start.
bayaziqala izinto.
But I love how God begins his things.
Kodwa ngiyathanda indlela uNkulunkulu
He
aqala ngayo
says,
izinto
I
zakhe.
declare the end in the beginning.
Uthi ngikhuluma isiphethe ekuqaleni.
Meaning every beginning of everything,
Kusho ukuthi isicalo sayo
there are
yonke into
symptoms and signs.
kuneyimpawu
How will that thing end?
zokuthi lento leyo izophetha kanjani.
You get it? There's always symptoms and signs
Kuhlezi kuneyimpawu.
of the ending of what has begun.
Salesiphetho saloku sekuqaleni.
But when God begins something with you,
Kodwa uNkulunkulu makaqala into ethile
He
ngawo.
doesn't begin it because He saw something in you.
Akayiqali ngoba ubona
He
okuthile kuwe.
begins because He was attracted to your weakness.
Uqale ngoba uhewe ubuthakathaka bakho.
People can begin things because
Abantu
they
bangaqala
saw
izinto.
each other's strength
Ngoba babone amandla wabo.
or
Omunye
saw
nomunye.
each other's beauty.
Noma babone ubuhle
And they
bomunye
began.
nomunye. Babe sebaqala.
God is not like that.
uNkulunkulu yena
He
akasinjalo.
begins with you
Uqala
because He
ngawe
saw you weak.
ngoba ukubone ubuthakathaka.
People begin
Abantu bayaqala
because you looked at someone,
ngoba ubheka
you
umuntu,
saw beauty,
wabona
you
ubuhle,
saw a beautiful car,
wabona
and you
imoto
said,
enhle,
let's begin.
bese kwathi asiqale.
It will end the way it began.
Kuzophetha ngale ndlela eqale ngayo.
It will end the way it began.
Kuzophetha ngale ndlela eqala
So
ngayo.
you must be careful
Fanele uqaphele
as you follow Jesus,
usalandela uJesu.
as you claim to be serving Him.
Usathi
Don't
uyamkhonza.
serve Him while your journey began through healing,
Ungamkhonzi ngapha uhambo lakho liqale
through
ngokupholisa.
deliverance,
Ngokukhulula
through prophecy.
ngesiprofethi.
It will end the very same way.
Uyophetha ngayo yona leyo ndlela.
Some they begin to be in love with God because of
Abanye
one
baqala
policy.
basemethoneni noNkulunkulu.
It means most of polile, what's going to happen?
Kwenza
You are
kanjani?
going to relax.
Uyonethezeka.
Because so polile. God is not that way. He
uNkulunkulu yena
begins to
akasinjalo.
finish.
Uqala ukuthi aphethe.
He begins to. He finishes.
Uqala
Everything
ukuthi
he
aqede.
starts, God finishes.
Yonke into ayiqalayo uNkulunkulu uyayiceda.
I love what happened
Yathanda kwayenzeka
Hezekiah.
kuEzekiya.
The prophet goes to him,
Prophet uya kuye.
telling him,
Yamtshela.
set your house in order
Usihlela indlu yakhe
because you're
iqondise
about to die.
ngoba sowuzofa.
He prays. He
Uyakhuleka.
says, God,
Uthi Nkosi,
remember my works.
khumbula imisebenzi.
Remember what I did.
Khumbula engakwenza.
And what did God do? He
uNkulunkulu
gave
wayenzani?
him 15 years extra.
Wamngezela iminyaka.
But the 15 years
Kodwa leyo
became
minyaka
useless.
ibe yize.
It was better for him to die by that time.
Bekungcono ukuthi afe ngaleso sikhathi.
There are some things,
Kunezinye izinto.
they are better when they die while they are still okay.
Zingcono ukuthi izifo zisalungile.
Because if
Ngoba uma
they go on,
ziqhubeka
they might lose
ngiyenzeka zilahlekele.
the Alpha and the Omega.
Umqali
They
nompheleli.
might end up in judgment,
Zingagcina
or in corruption.
Noma sezingcolisekile.
one becoming a very bad fruit.
Omunye sekabe
But you
yisithelo
started
esibi.
very well.
Kodwa uqale kahle.
You started in the spirit. You started loving God. But as time goes by,
Kodwa isikhathi
now you
sisaqhubeka.
begin to lose that love.
Manje solahlekelwa yilolo thando.
You begin to lose that fear of God.
Ulahlekelwa ukwesaba
Because you've
uNkulunkulu.
got your healing,
Ngoba
you've got your
usupholisile.
deliverance,
Ukhululiwe.
you've got your business,
Utholile
you've got your
ibhizinisi
job.
lakho, utholile umsebenzi
The
wakho.
end will be
Isiphetho
bad.
sizoba sibi.
The end will be.
Isiphetho sizoba
Look at Job. Job chapter
Look at
8.
Job.
Job began having everything.
Joba waqala nako konke.
Then he lost everything.
Abe sulahlekelwa yiko konke.
Hey, I love what that scripture says. He lost everything.
Walahlekelwa yiko konke.
But now his friends, they come to him. He
Kodwa
says,
abangani
though you
bakhe beza
began
kuye, bathi ngendlela noma ngabe uqale
ngokuncane, ithi isiphetho sakho kuzoba kuningi. It means yonke into when it has to end, it must not
Makufanele
end
ingeze.
in a bad way.
akufanelanga ngiphethe ngendlela
It must don't make that mistake
ungalenzi lelo phutha.
as a child of God. Don't
Umntwana
end in a
kaNkulunkulu,
bad way.
ungaphethi ngendlela embi.
Because God gives us second chances.
Ngoba uNkulunkulu uyasinikeza amathuba.
Imagine 15 years of wasted time.
Nje iminyaka engeziwe yaba yize.
God saying, set your house in order. You're about to die.
uNkulunkulu athi
You
qondisa umuzi wakho
miss to
sowuzofa.
set your house in order.
Awukhona uqondisa umuzi wakho
Because you
ngendlela
don't understand that God started something with you.
ngoba uqondisisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu
And he wants
uqala
to
ukuphila
finish it.
ngawe.
What do you
Futhi
do?
uNkulunkulu
You
uqeda
mess
ukwenza,
up.
uyamosha.
It was better to die before
Bekungcono ukuthi ufe ngaphambi
that 15 years extra.
ngaphambi ukuthi
Because
ngeze
15
iminyaka.
years extra we are more.
Ngoba mangezwa leyo minyaka.
It's painful, eh? That's how we live.
Indlela esiphila ngayo.
Let's start a journey. Let's
Siqale
start
uhambo.
afresh.
Siqale kabusha.
But why does it become worse?
Kodwa kungani bese kuba kubi kakhulu?
Let's reconcile. Why
Masikhulumisane.
does it become worse?
Kungani bese kuba kubi kakhulu?
Meaning, the way it began,
Kusho ukuthi ngendlela eqale
it
ngayo.
was not through the heart, through love.
Bekungasingothando.
It was through what you saw or through what you received from the person.
Bekungaloko okubonile noma ukwamukelile kulo.
Then you fell in love.
Bese waba
But because
semathandweni.
uyitholile lento, lethando liyaphela. God does not start that way.
uNkulunkulu akaqali ngaleyo ndlela.
Now you must be careful. When you see a Christian, ukuthi, oh, sekathole lokhu nalokhu, sekaso, you must know.
Kufanele wazi
15 years of wasted time on earth.
ukuthi iminyaka ingeziwe emhlabeni nje eyise.
Now you think you are living,
Cabanga ukuthi uyaphila.
but in the spirit,
Kodwa
it's
kumoya.
interpreted as being a useless life now.
Kuchazwa njengempilo eyise.
God saying, ngabe ngikuthethe lesa sikhathi than manje. Phew. The message is okay. Let's go to 2 Kings chapter 20. We must be careful. You know,
Kufanele siqaphele.
today as abazalwane, that's how we live.
Indlela
Yeah,
esiphila ngayo.
sengitholile healing, sengitholile deliverance, ngitholile umsebenzi, hayi business yami ngitholile, hayi business yami sekulevel le ngifuna kuyo nginayo yonke into. Hey, be careful.
Qaphela.
Remember how it started
Khumbula ukuthi iqale kanjani.
and keep what God has started.
Bese ugcina
Don't
lonke
start your own thing.
Ungaqali
Asking
okwakho.
for more years, but you want to start your own thing.
Cela eminye iminyaka nje ufuna uqala kwakho.
2 Kings chapter 20 from verse 1. When God says set your house in order,
uNkulunkulu makathi
order, it means everything must be aligned to his purpose.
ukuthi fanele yonke into fanele
To preserve you not to die before time.
ukuthi gcina
So that those extra years can please God and satisfy God.
le minyaka engeziwe izothokozisa uNkulunkulu iyane.
Not you.
Hayi wena.
We have to know
Fanele sazi.
we were all sinners.
Sonke
We were all doing what is wrong.
Sonke
Grace came. Jesus died for us.
Umusa wethu
Meaning he
Jesu
gave
wafela.
us a second chance.
Kusho ukuthi usinikeze ithuba lesibili.
That's why he says he died so that we don't live for ourselves.
Ufile ukuze singazoziphilela thina.
Living for yourself,
Ukuziphilela
it
wena.
means you are trying to save your own life.
Kusho ukuthi uzama ukusindisa yakhe impilo.
And it says you will lose it.
Ene lithi izo
Let's go.
2 Kings chapter 20 from verse 1 with NLT. The heading says, Hezekiah's sickness and recovery.
You see, there's sickness and
kunogula
recovery. Let's go.
Verse 1. About that time, Hezekiah became deadly ill.
Deadly ill.
nokugula.
You see, that's the beginning of Ezekiel now, of his new chapter. He became very ill.
Wagula kakhulu.
So that God was attracted to what? To that illness.
uNkulunkulu wahehwa yiloko kugula.
To give him a second chance.
Samnikeza ithuba lesibili.
Let's go.
About that time, Hezekiah became deadly ill.
Deadly ill, not just ill, deadly ill, meaning he was dead. Uh-huh.
And the prophet Isaiah, son of Amos, went to visit him. He gave the king this message. This is what the Lord says. Set your affairs in order.
Set your affairs in order.
Qondisa indaba zakho.
If God says set your affairs in order, it means I'm not pleased with you.
Kusho ukuthi angithokozile.
It means I'm not happy. You are not satisfying to me.
Ngijabulanga awunganelisi.
Now set your affairs in order. Meaning what's going to save you there
Kusho ukuthi yini
is
ezokusindisa
setting your affairs in order. You won't only recover from the illness, but you will also be saved.
kodwa uzosindiswa.
You will also be saved.
Uzosindiswa.
Because you can be sick
Ngoba
or
ungagula.
possessed by a demon coming out, sickness coming out, but not saved.
Kodwa ungakasindiswa.
Not saved.
Kodwa ungakasindiswa.
Let's go.
Set your affairs in order, for you are going to die.
For you are going to die.
Ngoba uzofa.
Imagine uyagula. A prophet comes to you to uyofa. Akathi uyophila uthi uyofa wena. Maqeda uthi lungisa indaba zakho. Hey, let's go.
Set your affairs in order, for you are going to die. You will not recover from this illness.
But the heading says illness and recover.
Ukupholiswa
But the
nokubuyiswa.
prophet says you will not recover
Umprofeti uthi angeke uzubuyiswa
from the illness.
kuloko kugula.
What is God talking about here?
uNkulunkulu
Meaning
ukhuluma
it's
ngani
not just a physical illness.
lapha? Kusho ukuthi
This has
akugula
to
nje
do
wenyama.
also with the soul
Kodwa lokuhlangene
that
nomphefumulo.
must live for God after the healing.
Lokufanele uphelele uNkulunkulu emva kokupholiswa.
Those 15 years, it must please God. It must satisfy God.
Leminyaka lo ifanele yanelisa uNkulunkulu thokozisa uNkulunkulu.
Let's go.
Verse 2. When Hezekiah heard this, he turned his face to the wall and prayed to the Lord.
He prayed.
Wakhuleka.
Verse
Not the
3.
prophet praying for him.
Hayi
The
uprofethi
prophet
omkhulu
came
engeke.
with the declaration that kuphelile ngawe. You are going.
Yahamba.
Now we turn to the wall. He prayed.
Wakhuphuka edongweni wakhuleka.
While he was praying, the
Asakhuleka.
prophet left him.
Prophet wamshiya.
Uzithandazela yena one, Nkosi. I don't want to go.
Angifuni ukuhamba.
It's not the prophet praying for him. The prophet did a message ukuthi uyahamba. Let's go.
Verse 3. Remember, O Lord.
Look at how he changes God's mind.
Bheka ngendlela ashintsha umqondo kaNkulunkulu.
If he says remember, if I say to you remember, it means I'm not doing it now.
Kusho ukuthi angikwenzi manje.
If I say remember, it means currently I'm not living correctly.
Kusho ukuthi angiphile
Remember.
Khumbula.
Many people
Abantu abaningi
serve God that way,
bakhonza uNkulunkulu ngaleyo ndlela.
with a remembrance,
Ngokuthi
not with a
sikhumbuze.
continuous fellowship,
Hayi ngokuhlanya
continually serving God.
Ukhonza uNkulunkulu.
No room to say remember.
Akunagumbi
When you say look at me,
Mawuthi
I'm
ngibheke,
serving you.
Ngiyakhonza.
I'm living for you. Not saying remember.
Ungathi khumbula.
Why must God remember?
Ungani uNkulunkulu fanele
What is God seeing currently?
Yini uNkulunkulu ayibonayo manje?
Meaning what he sees now is not pleasing.
Kusho lokho akubonayo manje akuthokozisi.
Now remember.
Manje
Why
khumbula.
may I remember?
Kungani
Should
fanele
manje uwile. Uyamosha. Uthi khumbula. But because God is merciful.
uNkulunkulu nomhawu.
Let's go.
Remember, O Lord, how I have always been faithful to you.
How I have always been, it's a past tense.
Into
I've
esemuva.
always been.
Bengi.
I've been.
Hayi ukuthi ngibengi.
You get it? I've been.
Bengi.
Not that I'm faithful.
Hayi
I've
ukuthi
been.
ngithembekile bengi.
Let's go.
How I have always been faithful to you and have served you single-mindedly.
I have single-mindedly. I've served you
Ngaphandle wena wedwa.
single-mindedly.
Ingqondo yami ingana-
Without any mind.
Ngaphandle
My
kwengqondo.
mind was you.
Ingqondo yami
I
bekuwena.
focused on you correctly.
Bengibheke kuwe ngendlela efanele.
Single-mindedly. It
Ingqondo
means
yami inganalutho.
we go back to Friday's teachings.
Kusho ukuthi sibuyela
Philippians chapter 2. He says,
Philippians
because now sin is kanukela kwenu. Not what God has begun in you.
hayi lo uNkulunkulu.
Utsengalila kwenu manje. It means the mind is no longer single now.
Kusho ukuthi
It's
ingqondo
double-minded.
yodwa seyibaqambili.
The mind is,
Ingqondo seyibaqambili.
let's go. Be careful.
Okay.
You know when you say God give me a second chance,
Awuthi uNkulunkulu nikeza ithuba lesibili.
don't get a useless chance.
Ungatholi ithuba bese kuyoba yize.
Don't get a second useless chance.
Ungatholi ithuba
That
lesibili
takes you to
kuyoba
hell.
yize elikunikisa esogweni.
Let's go.
Remember, O Lord,
Because sometimes you would say, "Yazi
Yes,
Nkosi,
sir.
ngabe ngithethe lesa sikhathi. Senyamosha manje. I should have died that time.
Ngabe
But now,
ngaphansi kwesikhathi.
sengidelela nawe manje. I've become so big I can't even fear you anymore.
Sengiyazikhukhumeza ngisakusabi nokukusaba.
Remember, you are living in a second.
Khumbula ukuthi uphila esibeni lesibili.
See how quiet it is? You are living in a second chance.
Phila esibeni lesibili.
We are all destined to die
Sonke besibekela ukuthi
because of sin.
Ngenxa
Jesus
yesono.
came, He died for us.
Jesu weza wasiphela.
Meaning He gave us a second
kusho ukuthi usinike
chance
ithuba
to
lesibili
serve God,
ukuthi sikhonze uNkulunkulu.
to live for Him.
Ukuthi siphilele yena.
Not to say kuNkulunkulu khumbula. Mela sibone continuously in His presence.
Ngokuqhubekayo ebukhoneni bakhe.
Continuously in His presence.
Ngokuqhubekayo ebukhoneni
So
bakhe.
that you don't say remember.
Ukuze ungazothi
You
khumbula.
just come. Look at
Manje
me.
yezwe nje ukuthi ngibheke.
Oh God, and answer my prayers. Don't let me down. Look at me. Don't remember, look at me. When you look at me, I'm in your presence.
Mawubheka ngisebukhoneni.
When I wake up, I'm in your presence. When I speak, I'm in your presence. When I eat, I'm in your presence.
Angidla ngisebukhoneni.
I won't say remember.
Angeke ngithi khumbula.
Even when I eat poison,
Noma ngidla
I'm in
ushevu.
your presence.
Ngisebukhoneni bakho.
I won't say heal me, thank the poison.
Angeke ngize ngisipholise.
Look at me, ngidlile. Ungathi khumbula. Past tense.
Into esemuva.
Khumbula. There are people who serve God like that.
Kunabantu abakhonza
Khumbula
uNkulunkulu
Nkosi mina. It's a memory.
Isikhumbuzo.
It's a memory.
Isikhumbuzo.